3 kids. No, I couldn't do it. Nope. Nope. Hour ride so far. Oh. Need a mental break. You guys drive me nuts.
Today was a crazy day. I had to pick up Caden's friends, the cousins, the girls, and I wanted to leave early because it's a long weekend. And on long weekends, the traffic gets bad. And as I'm heading back here, I'm just looking at all this traffic. It's crazy. I don't know what I'm going to hit going back. But anyway, we left at 9 o'clock. We got into Hope at 11 o'clock. We went for a hike, and then we went and grabbed some food, and then we went to the lake for a couple hours, and then we went for ice cream, and now I've dropped them off at camp. 3 kids. Anybody that has more than 1 kid, I don't know how you do it. I mean, Caden's a good kid, so I'm lucky. But when you get 2 friends of his, yeah, it's crazy. It really is. I don't know if I can handle that many. But anyway, beautiful day. It's 82 out right now, and I'm enjoying the peace and quiet. I'm enjoying the sun. I'm enjoying the drive home, where I can relax this weekend. The wife works tomorrow, so Saturday it's just me. And I think, you know what? I think I'm gonna lay down with Tasha and binge watch something. I haven't done that in a long time. Why not? We'll see. And then Sunday, the wife and I are going to do something. Not sure what yet. Monday, I have to head back, pick the kids up, and bring them home. But anyway, it's a beautiful drive. So I'm going to go enjoy my drive. I'm going to crank the music, crank the air conditioning, and I'm going to drive. See you guys on the next one.